Today, I am going to reveal some amazing secrets that will help beginners like you make money online with minimal effort. The year is 2023, and the possibilities are endless. Stick around till the end, and you might just be on your way to becoming a millionaire. But first, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up because I guarantee this information will potentially change your life. So, buckle up, and let's get started. 1. Amazon Video Reviews. Make money while you sleep by creating simple video reviews of products you've purchased on Amazon. Join the Amazon Influencer Program, post authentic video reviews, and earn a commission whenever a user watches your video and makes a purchase. It's one of the laziest ways to make money online because all you need is a smartphone and a few minutes of your time. 2. Selling products on Facebook Marketplace. Find low-priced products on websites like Walmart and sell them at a marked-up price on Facebook Marketplace. This basic business model lets you earn the difference as profit. With just a little effort in listing the products, you could be making $5,000 a month or more. 3. Mystery shopping. Enjoy free meals, oil changes, and more by becoming a mystery shopper. Sign up with companies that offer mystery shopping opportunities and complete simple tasks in exchange for reimbursement and some extra cash. 4. Leveraging AI for money. Artificial intelligence, AI, is revolutionizing the way we make money online. You can now use AI tools like ChatGPT and Midjourney to create children's books, design unique images, and even become a food photographer without any prior experience. The possibilities are truly endless. The online world is teeming with opportunities to make money the lazy way. These beginner-friendly methods require minimal effort, but the rewards can be substantial. So, don't just sit there. Take advantage of these secrets, apply them to your life, and watch your bank account grow. Did you find these methods useful? Can you see yourself trying any of them? Although some require a little work, the potential for earning money over and over again makes them worth trying. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and if you made it this far, drop an "I made it" comment to show you've watched this video. I appreciate every single one of you who sticks around till the end. Happy earning, and have a fantastic day.